ConvertKit is a subscriber management tool and email marketing software. ConvertKit targets online creators, so whether you're a blogger, video creator, podcaster, or have an ebook ready to share with your subscribers, ConvertKit is an awesome tool. Create landing pages and forms, automate email sequences, and manage your subscribers with ConvertKit. When your paper forms are submitted, automatically add subscribers to your ConvertKit. Here, we can see I've used Paperform's newsletter subscription form template. When someone completes the form and subscribes to my newsletter, I want to create a new subscriber within my ConvertKit. So let's look at how we can achieve this. Please note that before we set up the integration, we will need to run a test submission on our form. This is so the integration can test with real data. From the form editor, I'll go up to After Submission and select Integrations and Webhooks. I'll scroll down and click on ConvertKit. Then for this example, I would like to add a subscriber to a tag. We'll then be taken to the integration setup where we'll need to authorize the connection of our ConvertKit account. So we'll click that Add Account button, which will open a new window. This will prompt us to input our ConvertKit account's API secret key. All we need to do is click on Account Settings, which will redirect us to our ConvertKit account. We'll go to the bottom left and select Advanced. Once we've selected Advanced, we'll scroll down and click Show underneath API Secret. Now all we need to do is copy that key by clicking this icon here, and we'll jump back into the integration setup. We'll simply paste our API secret and click Connect ConvertKit. Voila, it's that easy. Now let's select the tag we would like to add our subscriber to, as well as the email that should be connected and the name. To do this, we'll click on the icon we see appear on the right-hand side of our fields, which will open a drop-down menu with each of the questions our form contains. What this is going to do, it's going to pipe the response the submitter gives to that question and send it straight to ConvertKit. Easy enough. All we need to do now is click Send Test. And voila, it was a success. Now, if we jump into our ConvertKit account and head to the dashboard, we can see that test submission has now been sent to our ConvertKit account. What we need to do is click Finish Setup, and if at any time you would like to turn off or on the integration, you can do so here, while jumping into the configuration settings is done so by the cogwheel icon on the right. We hope this has been a helpful video, and if you'd like to check out any of our other videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Good luck and happy form making.